Hey guys, good morning if you're watching in the morning, good day if you're watching in the afternoon, good evening if you are watching at night. I am your study partner for PYC 1502. So I realized that as UNISA students were struggling to find study partners, of which is something I was struggling with. So in this YouTube, I am not a tutor. I am not someone who I'm just like you guys. Like I'm a first year student. I'm just struggling to find a study partner. So I think it will be best for me to I think it will be best for me to just open a YouTube video where we can all engage. If you've got some notes you want to add based on what I was saying, feel free to comment. Feel free to comment and say whatever you want to say. If you want to correct me. If let's say someone is asking a question and you know the answer, obviously I don't know everything. I'm also here to learn like you guys, so feel free to answer that person. This is our YouTube video. It's not just for me, it's for all of us, right? So today we are preparing for the quiz for PYC 1502. And if it happened that you already attempted the quiz, please give us the hints on what is there and everything. Ne? So today we were just basically, it's not even just preparing for the quiz, but just preparing in general, So today we will be learning. Yo guys, never mind my nails. Okay, so we will be talking about nature of group functioning. Nature of group functioning, right? So we are talking about nature of group functioning. So you might be asking that what is like, okay, so I don't know how should I put this one. So you might be asking what is nature of group functioning? So as a psychology student, or as a person who's aspiring to be a psychologist, you might find yourself where you are going to deal with groups, either family groups, or this other topic where we're dealing with work, psychological thing. You're gonna find yourself dealing with groups. Okay? So yeah, either can be work related or family related or any way. So now we're talking about the nature of group functioning, how that works and everything. Ne? So the nature of group functioning, they are divided into three. It's like there are three aspects to group functioning. Ne? So the first one is attributes of human groups. The first one is attributes of human groups. No? Second one, okay, I said the first one is attributes of human groups, and the second one is differentiation of groups. No? You guys, you see, I'm writing with my hand. So if I wrote a wrong spelling, guys, bear with me. Differentiation of groups. Yeah. The third one is interaction. I'm gonna explain them. It's interaction of groups. Yeah. So when we are talking about attributes of human groups, we're talking about literally attributes just means characteristics. Ne? So attributes of human groups, we're talking about characteristics of how a group should be. Like for example, let's say now we have this PYC 1501 group. The thing that we share in common is that we are all studying PYC 1501. We are UNISA students. That is our characteristics. That is what we are here for. So the same way as the groups, there should be characteristics that align those people together and everything. And we have differentiation of groups. So differentiation of groups is how we differentiate the groups. Ne? It's how we differentiate the group or how we distinguish the groups. And also we have interaction of groups. Interaction of groups is how the group interacts. how the group interacts. It's like basically the communication in the group. Right. So we're talking about nature of group functioning, right? They're divided into three. I hope you get this: attributes of human groups. The second one, differentiation of groups. Third one, interaction of groups. And also you can like just Google, do your research and go to your textbook and your prescribed materials and all that and search like more what does that mean so that you can like, you know. So we're talking about nature of human of group functioning. Now we're gonna be talking about the structure of the groups. Ne? Now we are talking about the structure of the groups. The structure of the groups. Like remember, our topic here is nature of group functioning and everything. We're all about groups, right? So now we're talking about the structure of human groups. Structure of human groups. It's divided into two. We have what we call what is it? Oh, ooh, God help me. Uh group structure. We have what we call group structure. Secondly, we have what we call group process. Okay, group process. So with group structure, we are talking about how the group is structured, how the group is organized. Ne? So this is the relationship between the elements of the group and the people, like elements of the group and the people. Right? You can go check further in your textbook and come and tell us in the comment section like whatever you want to add. I'm not gonna talk much because it's my first video and everything, so I just wanted us to interact. I'm just giving you like the basics and everything. So group structure, already by the word you already can see what structure, how the group is structured, how the group is organized, né? So second, we have group process. Remember that process can change over time, right? So with group process is how the interaction in the group evolves. You know that, for example, let's say we start a group where we study together, né? And then you'd find that obviously at the beginning everything will move smoothly, we'll get together, but like eventually one of us might lose interest in the group, or something might happen, or we might find ourselves not agreeing to what we are talking about. This is what we call group process. It's like how the interaction evolves between the members in the group. So I hope you understand the structure of the group. Structure of the group, first one is group structure, how the group is structured or organized, right? Based on the elements and everything in the group, né? And then second, we have group process. Group process is how the interaction in the group evolves. How the interaction in the group evolves. Okay, I hope you are good. So right now we will be talking about um we will be talking about a group structure of human groups. Group structure of human groups. So, a group structure of human groups, this should be, remember group structure. Yo, guys, group, okay, group structure of human groups. Remember, I said that structure of the groups, there should be a group structure, there should be a group process. So, right now, we're just gonna stop in group structure of human groups. Ne? Is it attributes? Group structure of, let me see. Structure of human group. What is it? Oh, bear with me, guys. Process of human groups. Structure of it's the structure of human groups. So the structure of human groups, we have what we call a group membership. There should be group membership. Remember, when we're talking about group structure, it's how the group is organized, how the group is structured. So in human groups, there should be a group membership, meaning that for a person to join a group, they should be like notified, or the person should be told that you are part of this group. They should not be taken by surprise or find themselves in that group where else they didn't agree, right? So the second one is group norm. Group norm. When we are talking about norms, we're talking about rules. Like rules. There's a difference between a value and a norm. That's your homework. Go and search what is the difference between a value and a norm in psychology. So now we're talking about a norm. A norm is a rule. It's a rule whereby members in the group, they how they expect one to behave. Yeah, how they expect one to behave. Let's say, like, for now, the rule that we have in this group is that you need to subscribe. That is the rule, right? For us to grow, for us, to be able to engage in everything, to reach more students, subscribe. That is the rule. I'm giving an example, but yeah, subscribe. Subscribe. And yeah, this is a group norm. Also, in the group, there should be like rules. And for us to be able to adhere to the groups, we need a group leader. All right. And then also there is what we call group cohesion. Guys, I said if I wrote the wrong spelling, bear with me. So group cohesion, we are talking about the strength of the group. The strength of the group. Like how the group get along with each other, or how the group stick together, or how the group strongly agree with each other. Like that is what we call group cohesion. We have what we call high cohesion groups. High cohesion group. So with high cohesion groups is that high cohesion group, it means that the group uh they strongly agree with each other, right? We have high cohesion groups, we have low cohesion groups. So with high cohesion groups is the group that, like, it stands, like they don't they defend each other, because remember, in the group we have to defend each other. Like, we don't fight with people who criticize us or do what. If we are a real group, we have to defend each other. And we have sociometric groups. Sociometric groups. Okay, let me see. Okay, sociometric structure. Oh yeah, we have sociometric structure. Remember that the word social comes from the word social. Metric, I don't know. Comment down below and tell us where it comes from. Sociometric structure. With the sociometric structure, as that the group, like, with the group of sociometric structure, it means that, like, the group does not they're not attracted to each other, like they don't agree, like it's just a lot happening. But I think you understand what we mean by structure of human groups, ne? So we're still gonna learn about the process of human groups, so I'm just gonna end here for now. I hope you subscribe. Also, comment down below if you want to add on the process of human groups. Please add on the comments. And if someone is asking the questions, please answer. If I'm not able to answer anything, if you're a second year and all that, like, please, we invite you. Please share. And yeah, wish you all the best. Like, we got this. If we stand together, we got this. I love you so much. I'm your new study partner. I'm so excited about it.